wants to get her way. And I'm kind of resistant again because I do things my way. I do things as I see fit. Have you ever worked in a restaurant?
I was a hostess for a year. And that's my only experience in a restaurant. But at the end of the day, I'm looking to be your assistant. I'm looking to be the person you call if you need something.
I know that I have no shot.
Oh, you got one.
Anything to disappoint my mother.
I feel like I can do this job.
So
Give
look,
me a chance.
how about this? I'll give you an opportunity. You know, I'll do this to make my mother happy. We'll bring you on board, okay? And then we'll just kind of figure it out. A couple of days, couple of weeks. If it doesn't fit, we'll just go our separate ways, okay?
Sounds fair.
Okay, great.
I think she'd be perfect to be the one to assist Paul. It's getting Paul to let her assist him is going to be the challenge.
Boylston Street's the way to go. You know, it's right in Fenway Park. It's right where, you know, everything's happening during the summer especially.
Yeah, I agree.
The hard part is that I've got Mark on the West Coast, you've got Donnie in New York, and other investors. So trying to get all of these entities together to really, you know, push this forward has been very, very difficult. But Donnie loved it. Donnie thought it was definitely, you know, the way to go. It's too bad, because, I mean, Donnie's got to go back to New York, and, you know, Mark comes in, you know, how he you know, in his business, what he says is, you know, what he wants and what he gets.
Imagine opening the second one somewhere far away.
No, it makes no sense. Well, he's got all his buddies chirping here. Oh, we should do it here. We should do it there. Everybody wants to open it somewhere.
Well, we'll just chirp louder. That's all. You know what, Paul? We need Dorchester. Let's go to the old neighborhood. Come on, that'd be fun.
I don't think they'll let us in there anymore. People just kind of shook their heads when you mentioned Walmart.
All roads, Walmart.
Layla. Layla. Yeah.
Nice move right up that street.
Oh,
That's
good
my street.
girl.
I am a proud Dorchester girl.